We are in Homestead Crater, and this place is really cold. The water is really warm.
Super warm.
I thought it'd be hotter, like a jacuzzi hotter, but
it's perfect.
It's perfect for me. What's amazing is that it's being heated up by the earth. So there's nothing heating up this water but
us and our fart.
Just kidding. We had some people in here that had like the little goggles. They weren't very happy with their snorkeling gear because there's not much to see. It's literally so deep that you can't see anything but blue. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We also heard that there's natural minerals in this water and that supposedly it's really good for you. We're hoping that we can get a little bit of that today. So right behind me are the changing rooms. They're really small, so we suggest you get dressed in the bathroom before you come in. We got dressed in the car, and then we came in right away, and we were the first ones in the pool.
Steak, obviously.
Grass-fed.
Grass-fed steak.
All right, boo, I got you. We're gonna go pick one right now, okay? Pull over.
Oh no.
What is this, honey? What is this?
Prime rib. Bone in a prime rib. There's a bone in there.
Okay. New York steak, mashed potatoes, and gravy. Oh yeah, and these are garlic mashed potatoes, so. Ready. How many days was your steak marinated?
40.
40 days, you guys. 40 days of marinade. Same as mine. Amazing. What's up? We just got back from Grub Steakhouse here in
Park City,
Utah. And oh my gosh, the steak was amazing, the dessert was amazing, the service was amazing. Shout out to Sue who hooked us up with some free dessert. If we ever come back to Utah, we're definitely coming back here. And if you ever come to Utah, definitely come here. The food is thebomb.com, so we just thought we should shout them out. So now we're gonna head back to Salt Lake City. See you guys there.